The Build Your Own Label page is almost the same as our pre-designed templates, except there are a few important differences. The very first thing you need to do is choose the shape and size of the label you want. You can always change it to something else later, but if you do, any existing text and layers will be shifted around a bit, so it's always a good idea to start with what you know you want. The first option is the shape, and depending on the shape you choose, you will have different size options. For instance, rectangular labels are the most common and provide many size options, while many of the other shapes only give you one size. Once you've chosen the shape and size you want, now you can start designing your label. When you click on Background Color, it opens the color picker where you can choose a custom color. Or you can choose one of the predefined color swatches, then click OK to make the change. You can upload your own graphic image like a photo or a PNG file by clicking the Add Image button. This will open a Browse dialog box for you to upload it from your computer. You can also use one of our free PNG graphics. Just click the Add Graphic button to bring up the catalog. The benefit of PNG files is they have a transparent background, so they can be creatively incorporated into any design. Whether you upload your own photo or use one of our graphics, you can manipulate it using the tools on its selection box. Just click and hold to move it wherever you like. Resize it using the corners, or distort it using the sides. You can also rotate it with the handle on top. Of course, you can add text as well, and you have all the creative tools that allow you to change font, color, size, etc. New text always pops up in the middle of the label, so just move it where you want. The width of the selection box defines when it will automatically create a new line of text, so if you want a larger font size, you'll need to increase the selection box to accommodate a single line of text. Making a smaller selection box is helpful when you want text to take up a smaller area, like on the side of an image. The Layers panel on the right shows you what order the layers are in and allows you to change which layer is on top or behind the others. You can place your images and text on top or below other layers however you like. Every new layer you make automatically becomes the top layer. Since you're building your own label from scratch, there's no coordinating back label, but it does give you the option to create your own. So those are the basics. Get in there and have some fun. Check out our other tutorials for more information, or if you have any specific questions, you can always email us through the Contact Us page.